Welcome to my channel, Are Facebook Emails Filling Up Your Inbox? In this video, I'll show you how to manage or completely turn off email notifications using the Facebook mobile app. Whether you want fewer updates or no emails at all, this quick guide will help you take control of your Facebook email settings. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines. Then tap on Icon Settings at top right corner. Scroll down until you find the Notifications section. Tap on Notification. Now, scroll down and tap on Email. Here, you can control what kind of notifications Facebook sends to your email. You can choose to turn off what you want or turn off email notifications completely. And that's it. Quick and easy. Now your inbox won't be flooded with Facebook emails. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.